Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and I'm here today with Ed Grant from Solgari. Ed, can you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about Solgari?
Hey, Rick, thanks for having me on. Yes, absolutely. My role is CFO and co-founder at Solgari. We're a cloud business applications software solution, and we are a Microsoft ISV with an application. It's called the Dynamics 365 all-channel solution that provides all the communication channels from voice to video to SMS to third-party channels such as social media, WhatsApp, WeChat, all as part of an integrated solution, all delivered inside Dynamics. And we sell the solution globally. So we have customers in 40 countries to date across financial services, retail, manufacturing, public sector, all running their inbound, outbound, all-channel communications to the outside world on our platform.
So, what you're saying is, if I have a social media team over there bringing information from social media, I've got a call center, I've got stuff coming in from the web, I've got stuff coming through the phones, you can integrate all that into my Dynamics 365.
You hit the nail on the head, Rick. So what you described there is the old world of the disjointed, multi-vendor hardware, software solutions to try and make the modern communication worlds work. And we saw that a long time ago, and we said the way to do this is to deliver an integrated SaaS solution that deliver all that functionality, all those channels as one integrated solution anywhere in the world per user per month.
So, I saw recently that you're part of this Cosell program with Microsoft, which is really exciting. And for those who are not familiar, that's the program where Microsoft is now working with the ISV community to help them actually bring their products to market. So can you tell us a little bit about, how you got involved with Cosell and what does that mean to you and your team?
Absolutely. So we would have recognized that Microsoft had a really forward-thinking, visionary view on how to work with ISVs, so independent software vendors like ourselves that would have added a lot of value to whatever part of Microsoft's stack. So in our case, we would have seen there's an opportunity around Dynamics 365 to help companies, the multiple enterprise, corporate type companies across the verticals, the types of verticals I mentioned, to deliver an inbound, outbound, all-channel type solution. So we saw that opportunity. We worked very closely with Microsoft, both technically to start with, to allow us to deliver the solution as part of Dynamics. That's why it's called the Dynamics 365 all-channel communication solution. But since we did that, Rick, over the last 9 months, Microsoft have moved very aggressively to commercially make it very attractive for ISVs like us. So they launched, for example, just after Microsoft Inspire last July, Microsoft Business Applications ISV Connect program, which is now starting to accelerate of that program. And we're actually at the premium tier. So we're at the very top of the ISVs in that program, which means we're very commercially and technically embedded with Microsoft. And as part of that, we get Cosell status. And Cosell status essentially means that our application delivered to the Microsoft direct sales team, the Microsoft Dynamics 365 direct sales teams, it gives them a bunch of different incentives in terms of quota targets and revenue share. And that allows our application to become very, very prominent. So not least is it an application that's heavily in demand. The direct Microsoft sellers also are rewarded for bringing us into deals where our solution is relevant.
That's outstanding. So, from that, I hear that you have a session coming up in Barcelona at the User Group Summit within the Dynamics 365, the Extreme track for partners. I'm going to be there. I'm looking forward to it. So, tell us a little bit what you'll be doing at the partner community that week.
Yeah, that's right. So really excited about this. So obviously I'm speaking at the Extreme 365, which is the partner focus element of the event. I'll be over to see the customer side as well. But so what we're going to talk about there. So we're an early, let's say, from the ISV side, we're very committed to the Microsoft program, the Business Applications ISV Connect program. We can see, and we are taking advantage and executing on the opportunity that's afforded to us. So I'm going to talk about it at the event at my session. It's on Monday morning, and it's actually called the Business Applications ISV Connect program. Anything is possible. I'm going to talk about how we've approached it, and the interaction we've had with Microsoft since coming on board, and what we've received as partners from Microsoft, and how we've embraced it, and how we're executing on the opportunities that come to us from the partnership. And we're going to talk about, or I'm going to talk about, the potential that we have seen and how we're executing on it, and what we think it can lead to in terms of us as a business. So it really is in terms of a route to market, Rick, for a company like ourselves, it gives us an incredible route to market and opportunity to reach the right type of companies already in the cloud on Dynamics 365, running their business on Dynamics 365. And suddenly we come along to help them address, this huge demand around modern communication solutions that we can help address an integrated solution. So it's talking about how an ISV can embrace and act on the opportunity that Microsoft have offered and give some real life experience from our side.
And, my work with ISVs over the last few years, I've seen it several times where, you're in Dublin. Now, in a matter of months, you become a global company because you can leverage that Microsoft sales team and the partner network. So, I'm really looking forward to your session. I'll be doing a session on the Thursday of that week where I'll have an ISV panel where I'm going to interview several ISVs like Solgari to talk about sort of their journey, and we'll probably have somebody from Microsoft there talking about the program. So I'm very excited about going to Barcelona in the first place and getting to go to a fantastic conference. So for those who are just thinking about Extreme 365 as a partner, or the summit, the D365 UG Summit, absolutely go. It's a fantastic experience. So Ed, thank you very much for your time today. Looking forward to getting together in Barcelona to talk about how we can take Solgari global.
Thanks very much, Rick, for your time. Look forward to that too.
Okay, thanks. Bye for now.
Okay, bye for now. Yeah.